Welcome to the updated version of Anatomy of a Sewing Machine. My name is Silenus. I hail from Satyr's Hollow in the Kingdom of Blackspire. The purpose of this video is to help you understand the various features on your sewing machine. This is a video intended for individuals who have never worked with a sewing machine or have very little experience working with a sewing machine. I'm going to be going over the various parts of this sewing machine. This one specifically is a Brother XL3510. Going right into it, I'm going to start with an item that is currently off screen, but I'm going to bring it into screen. This is your pedal. Hand wheel. Reverse stitch lever, sometimes referred to as a back stitch lever. Stitch selection dial. Stitch length dial. Additional stitch length dial to go beyond the minimum and maximum of this current machine. Stitches available on this machine. Bobbin winder pin. Bobbin winder stop. Spool pin. There is a placement for an additional spool pin. Stitch width dial. Tension dial. Thread guide and bobbin winder tension disc. Thread path. The thread path leads to a take-up lever, also called a thread uptake lever. Presser foot lever. Needle clamp. On the needle clamp, there is a thread guide. Needle. Presser foot. Needle threader. Assembly cover. Bobbin cover. Needle plate. This is a top load bobbin. Inside here you will find your bobbin case and shuttle assembly. Table extension. On some sewing machines, your table extension will have a box for your accessories, aptly named the accessory box. My machine doesn't. On a front load sewing machine, your bobbin area will be right here. You will have your bobbin cover, bobbin shuttle, and a bobbin case. Thread cutter. Thread cutters are not on all machines. that concludes the various features for this machine. Most of these machines have all the same features, and some even have a little extra. Go over this video as many times as you need in order to really lock in these terms, as knowing these terms will help you troubleshoot and find answers online. Because the biggest issue with trying to find help is not knowing the specific name for something and trying to frame your question around this unknown term. Thank you again for joining me as I go over the anatomy of a basic sewing machine. I hope you found it useful, that you are less intimidated by your machine or less intimidated at the thought of buying a sewing machine. I truly hope that this video and the videos to come inspire you to get into sewing. Please be sure to subscribe so that you are alerted of future videos, and happy sewing!